Hi buddy, welcome to Answers Q. In this video, we'll be seeing some free online courses that are offered by Infosys across different domains. So Infosys is one of the most popular multinational IT company in the world. So I hope you all know about Infosys. Infosys doesn't need much of an introduction. So let's dive in and see the free online courses that are offered by Infosys. So actually they have multiple platforms. They have designed multiple platforms through which they offer the free online courses. Let's see what are those platforms and how you have to register and get the courses for free. I'll show you everything. Before we see that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, offers that are running in different e-learning websites, job updates, internships, workshops and other online events. So you have a lot of useful resources in Answers Q website, so make use of it. And I just want to tell you something about Coursera here. It's a very good e-learning platform where you can get course for any subject like data science, business, computer science, IT, language, health, personal development, engineering. So basically you can learn whatever you want in Coursera. And the best thing about Coursera is all their programs are offered by top companies and universities like Duke University, Stanford University, Google, Amazon, IBM, Facebook, University of Illinois. So the content will be very good in the programs that are available in Coursera platform. So if you want to learn anything in Coursera, what you can do is you can go for their monthly plan. What a lot of people are doing is they are going for a single learning program, which means they are paying 3,000 to 6,000 per month for one particular program which they are choosing. It might be a course, it might be a project or specialization. But what you can do is you can go for Coursera Plus monthly offer and pay just 4,306 per month. And with this offer, you will get access to the entire Coursera platform. You can access their 3,000 plus courses, guided projects, specializations, professional certification programs. Anything that you want in Coursera can be accessed with this offer. And you can earn unlimited certificates because there is no limit to the number of courses that you can take with this offer. And you can develop job relevant skills and you can access the most valuable professional certification programs that are offered by top companies like Google, Facebook and more. So make use of it. If you want to learn anything in Coursera, you can go for their monthly plan. And if you want to support me in any way, you can just make use of my link which I have given in description and take this Coursera Plus monthly offer. So I hope you will find this useful. Now let us move on and see the free online courses that are offered by Infosys. So first one here is InfyTQ platform. So actually this is a platform that was launched by Infosys. You can see here InfyTQ by Infosys. It's a next gen learning and engagement platform and it's a free of cost learning platform. So you do not have to pay for anything in this platform. So here in their homepage, they haven't given much about what are the courses that are available. They have just some feeds from social medias. So what we can do is we can create an account in this platform and then we'll see the courses. So for that, just click on this register button. And once you click on register, you will see here different options to create your account in this platform. You can use your Facebook or Google account or else you just fill in the details here and click on this register button. And then in the next page, you just have to agree to their terms and conditions. And then you have to fill in some details about yourself to create your account in this platform. If you already have an account, you can just click on login here and log into your account. So let me log into my account and catch up after that. So now I have logged into my account. You can see here, welcome back Answers Q. Once you log into your account, you will be able to see all the courses that are available for free of cost in this InfyTQ platform. So you have courses like programming fundamentals using Python, object-oriented programming using Python, data structures and algorithms using Python. And see here, all these courses have a lot of content. 43 hours 25 minutes, 46 hours 13 minutes, 29 hours 27 minutes. So these are not short courses. You can learn completely with these courses. And you have programming using Java, and again data structures and algorithm using Java, database management system part 1, part 2. So all these courses are available for you. All these are foundation courses, which means these are beginner level courses. And then you have some latest courses here like HTML5, data pre-processing, business scenario, pre-processing, demo cleaning and reduction, data reduction. And there are a lot of data pre-processing courses here. You can see that here, introduction to pre-processing, and then you have data pre-processing, prelude, need of data pre-processing, introduction to data pre-processing, and all these courses are available for you for free of cost. Explore the data pre-processing summary, and or you can take everything here for free of cost. As I said earlier, you do not have to pay for anything. For example, let's say you want to enroll in this programming fundamentals using Python part 1 course. Just click on the title here, and then you'll be taken to the course page like this, and here you can see what are the things that you will learn and what are the skills that you can gain by taking this course, and the prerequisites, which means if you already know about C programming, it will be beneficial for you to take this particular course, programming fundamentals using Python. And here you can see the format, level, duration of the course, structure, like how many modules you have, how many videos you have, how many quizzes, assessments, everything will be given here. You can see the course creators as well. So now to enroll in this course, you can simply just click on this start button, and if you want to know about the course content, you can just click on contents here, and here they have given clearly like what are the different topics which will be covered, and everything is given clearly, how many quizzes you have. So you just need to click on this start button to enroll in the course. So let me just click on start here, and that's it. Now we have enrolled in this course. Here if you just click on this icon, you can see here you'll be moving on to the next chapter. You can just complete all the chapters, and if you just click on the icon here, this one, you'll be able to see all the course content here. All these are videos and few lessons in websites, so you can complete all these things for free of cost. You can learn for free and develop your skills. This is a programming course, so this is how you need to enroll in these courses available in N5TQ platform. And after each module you will also have some assignments as well, so you can practice whatever you are learning. So not only this course, there are a lot of courses as I showed you earlier. You can make use of it and develop your skills. So I hope you will find this platform very useful, N5TQ. There is one more thing which is called Infosys Springboard. So it's same. From this platform you can get free online courses that are offered by Infosys. This is mostly based on digital skills and behavioral skills and those type of courses. Again, we need an account to see what are those courses that are available here. So for that, just click on this login here, and then you have to create an account. If you already have an account, you can just log in. If you do not have an account, just click on register here, and then fill in your details and click on this register button to create your account. And then you have to verify your email address. So you will get a mail like this from Infosys Springboard. Just click on the link given in the mail to verify your email address. And then you have to answer a few questions here, like are you 18 years of age or older? Just answer this question and move on to the next section. And then you have to accept their terms and conditions. So you can just go through it if you want, and then check this box given here, I agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on this accept button. And then you have to give more details about yourself, like whether you are a learner or a parent, or you are from an educational institute, or you are a teacher. So just choose the appropriate option for yourself, and then fill in your details like your first name, last name, gender, state, city, and your educational institute name, address, and just answer all these questions, like give your phone number. And then if you want, you can also register as a volunteer. You can just check this box if you want, and then click on this next button. And then there will be a video from Infosys about this platform. You can just watch it if you want, and then just click on this next button. And then you have to select the topics in which you are interested in. So here they have given some suggestions like computer vision, health and fitness, and there are 8 more topics. Just click on it and select all the topics in which you are interested in, and then click on this next button. And then select the language in which you want to access the course content, and you can also choose your font size, and you can select your theme itself. If you want, you can also go for dark mode. So just select the options here, and then click on this done button. So that's it. Now the registration has been completed. You can see here, hey answers queue, I have logged into my account. So once you log into your account, you will be able to access the courses here. So here you will see the courses divided in different sections like Young Learners, Inception, Inspire, Insignia. So Young Learners is for young people who are interested in technology, life skills and more. And Inception is all about basic contents. And then Inspire is for intermediate level content with hands-on coding, playgrounds and more. And then Insignia is about advanced courses, advanced certification programs and all those things. So let me just choose Young Learners here. So just click on explore curated content, and whichever one you want to enroll in, you can choose that option. And here you can see this is the page for young learners, and if you just scroll down, you will see again few options here like programming and technology, life skills, industry applications, Infosys Catch Them Young. So I'll just choose the option life skills here. You can select whichever one you want. I'll go with life skills. So let me just click on it, and this is the page for life skill courses and articles. And if you just scroll down, you can see here these are some of the articles which will be useful for you, like creativity as a life skill, and you can just go through these articles. It will definitely be useful. And these are the courses. Building creative confidence, you can see here it's a course. Bridging the generation gap, business writing, email writing skills, basics of business communication. And then you have few more courses like business English, interactive skills, changing unconscious bias, and all these courses are available for you. And if you want to enroll in any course, you can just click on it. For example, let's say you want to take this time management course, so just click on the title and you will be moving on to the course page. If you want, you can just go to the contents and see what are the things that will be covered, and in the overview you can see what are the skills that you can gain. And here you can see the duration of the course and the cost. It's absolutely free, you do not have to pay for anything, and all other details are given here. You can just go through it if you want. And now to enroll in the course, you can just click on this start button, and that's it. Now we have enrolled in the course. You can just click on this play button and watch the videos, and you can just move on to the next section. And if you just click on this icon here, you will see all the table of contents, and course details is also available here. So this is how you need to take the courses that are offered by Infosys through Infosys Springboard platform. And if you want to get more updates about free online courses, subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel to get instant updates about all our videos. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.